Myself Phopse S.E. from Department of Chemistry, Rao Bahadur Narayan Rao, Borauke College, Srirampur. Today we will discuss about bridge course in chemistry. Our topic name is chemical change and chemical bond. You are familiar with chemical change in our daily life. There are two types of change. There are two methods for classification of changes. First method is physical change and second method is chemical change. We are only interested in chemical change because this topic belongs to chemistry subject. But we have to also know what is meant by physical change and what is meant by chemical change. First, physical change. Best example of physical change, melting of ice. We know that ice is the solid state of water. If ice is heated above 0 degree Celsius, then it converted into water in liquid state. Water in liquid state. Ice is the solid state of water. If it is heated, then it is converted into water in liquid state. Again, this water is again heated, then it is converted into water vapors. That means water in gaseous state. In this example, there is no any chemical change takes place. In this reaction only state of our substance is changes. First state of water is solid state, that means ice. When it is heated, it get converted into liquid state. Here no any chemical reaction takes place or no any new substance is formed. And if water in liquid state is again heated, then it is converted into water vapor. In this case also there is no new substance is formed. Then what is meant by physical change? You are already studied in standard 8th. What is meant by physical change? It is the change in which no new substance is formed. Only state of substance changes from either solid to liquid or liquid to gas. This type of changes are called as physical changes. There are many examples of physical changes. Then we are more interested in chemical change. What is meant by exactly chemical change? Second is the chemical change. Chemical change. It is the change in which new substance is formed by breaking of bond of original substance and new substance is formed, which is called as product. There are many examples of chemical change. First example is ripening of mango, then ripening of banana, then formation of curd from milk. It is also chemical change. Then rusting of iron. These examples are very well known to you. Rusting of iron, that means लोखंडाचे गंजणे, हा पण एक केमिकल चेंज आहे. त्यानंतर दुधाचे दही होणे हा सुद्धा एक केमिकल चेंज आहे. त्यानंतर ripening of mangoes, ripening of bananas. These are examples of chemical changes occurs in your day-to-day life. Then what is exactly chemical change? We will demonstrate what is the chemical change. Chemical change, in chemical change, new substance is formed from the original substance, and chemical change is irreversible. Chemical change is irreversible. Chemical change is irreversible. And physical change is reversible. Then activity based on this chemical change, we are going to perform activity of chemical change. How chemical change occurs? Example of this, we know that in lemon there is a citric acid is contained in lemon juice. Here I have taken in a test tube lemon juice. This is the test tube and this is test tube holder. I have taken lemon juice in the test tube. We are going to perform what is chemical change. Lemon juice, if we add I have taken lemon juice in a test tube with the test tube holder. Then we know that sodium bicarbonate, then add pinch of sodium bicarbonate in the test tube. Then it is observed that effervescence of CO2 is observed. That means citric acid present in the lemon juice react with sodium bicarbonate and CO2 is released in this reaction. That means here chemical change occurs and new substance is formed. Then what is exactly reaction of this? Citric acid present in lemon juice plus here addition of sodium bicarbonate, then it form sodium salt of citric acid, plus here we observe effervescence of CO2 gas. That means in this reaction carbon dioxide gas is released. Therefore here citric acid is converted into sodium salt of citric acid. That means new substance is formed, that is sodium salt of citric acid. Therefore it is chemical change. Then next is the another example of chemical change. This type of reaction, here citric acid is acid and sodium bicarbonate is the base. Therefore, this reaction is neutralization type of reaction, because in this reaction salt of citric acid is formed. Therefore, this reaction is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. This is the activity which is based on chemical change. And why chemical change is irreversible? Irreversible means this reaction cannot be again converted into product into reactant, because here sodium salt of citric acid is formed, which is not again converted into citric acid. Therefore, this is the irreversible change. This is main difference between physical change and chemical change. Then next is the next point is the how to write chemical reaction. This is also you are already studied in 8th standard, how to write chemical reaction. Writing of chemical reaction. Next point is writing of chemical reaction. First step of writing of chemical reaction is write equation in word. Write equation in word by using that chemical formula. Then we can write reaction. For example, first step is step first. Write word reaction. Write word reaction. For example, nitrogen gas plus hydrogen gas to form ammonia gas. This is the step first while writing chemical reaction. In word, first write reaction in word. Then second step is what indicate this reaction. Substances on left hand side of the equation, that means nitrogen and hydrogen, are reactant, that means they are taking part in chemical reaction. Then to form new substance. New substance form in the chemical reaction is written on right hand side of the equation. Then this arrow indicate this nitrogen and hydrogen react to form new substance ammonia. Therefore, arrow is pointing towards ammonia. Then write second step. Step second, write chemical formulae of the word reaction. Nitrogen gas, that means N2, plus hydrogen gas, that means H2. It gives, these are the reactants in chemical reactions. Then chemical formula of ammonia is NH3. This is the step second of the chemical reaction. This reaction is unbalanced chemical reaction. This reaction is unbalanced chemical reaction. Then in next point we will study how to balance chemical reaction. This is the method for writing chemical reactions. Then there are many natural chemical changes. Natural chemical changes there are many examples of natural chemical changes. One of the best example for natural chemical change is photosynthesis by green plants. Example, photosynthesis by green plant.